What's up, guys? We're back for another little fun video. Today we're gonna be installing the Perrin wing stabilizers. I used to have them, reordered them, got the stickers. You guys know it's what matters the most. Because luckily with my old wing stabilizers, it left the old markings, and I thought they used to be very perfect and spot on. I don't know if you can see it. It's like, and I'm not gonna wash my car. I feel like every time you guys see my car, it's very dirty. We have bad weather. It just rains randomly. And then also, we're gonna be removing this sticker. Alright, so we're just gonna wipe down the car right now, and then we're just gonna clean it with water. I don't want to put any chemicals so the adhesive doesn't stick. You could install screws, but screws is just extra for me personally. I think with the 3M tape, which I had before, was perfectly fine and had no problem with it almost being lost or coming off. They were on there, so you can see the old lines that I had, which is perfect for me, so I don't have to reline everything and remeasure and all that, which makes this video much easier. So now we're just gonna put some water, just get all the stuff off. Now we can take these guys out the box, set them down over here, throw that box off. And this should come with 3M tape if I remember correctly. These are the bolts in there. Like I said, we don't need that. It's extra wing stabilizer, and it should come with 3M tape. Yep, perfect. Alright, so we got it all set up. It's just pretty simple, just 3M tape they give you on each side, and then you just peel it back a little bit, how I'll show you guys, and when you place it in there, you'll peel it back. So let me just get my girlfriend to record. So what I do is you just kind of peel it back a little bit, and then you bend it so it stays out. I'm gonna set my phone down, hopefully it's able to record well. Alright, so just gonna get this guy here, make sure these are still bent sideways, line it up with where I had it before. Alright, so we got it all lined up. We're just gonna peel the tape off now. That's why I said you guys pop it out like that, so you just pop them out. And then you just wanna make sure it's even to your liking, and then you just press it down, put some pressure. Alright boys, that's what it's looking like. I got them pretty perfect to my liking. They look pretty straight from behind. So if you look at it one each, it's pretty straight. So I'm happy with this. It looks good to me. It's not looking crooked or anything. What do you guys think though? I think it looks nice. My car just needs a wash. Every time you guys see my car, it's always very dirty. But yeah, next up is we're gonna be taking off this sticker and this sticker. We're gonna be removing these. So yeah. Hey guys, it's finally time to come off. And sticker's gone. And then if we just come back here, we're gonna be taking this one off too. This one's older. This is very old. It was like one of the first stickers I put on my car, actually. Let me grab a knife for that one. Much easier with this knife. Yeah. These guys were cool. Shout out to them, no hate or anything. But I kind of just moved on now from cars, really. They used to host a lot of meets. They were really cool with my hometown. Little story to them. It was just nameless. I could tag their Instagram in the video if you guys want to check out their page. They're all really cool guys, but everyone just kind of went their own way now. But they're all cool guys, so talk to them here and there. So yeah. Gonna take that off finally. All right, fellas, we're gonna get some cold start action for you guys. My car is a V, so it might struggle to turn on. I'll just have to give it a little rev. Again, if you don't know, straight pipe, catless, Tomei cat back. I have a up pipe catless, so no restrictions for anything. Alright boys, we got her washed up. Nothing too crazy. I need to get her detailed and I need tint, fenders, and fix my bumper. Those are on my list right now. Very big things to do. So fix my bumper tab so I can fix the gap because it curves down. I don't know if you guys noticed that, and then it pokes out right there. Then I need to roll my fenders. You can see right there, they're like poking out and they fucked up my tires. I'm gonna be getting tires soon, so yeah, I'm gonna be getting fenders rolled soon as well, so that doesn't happen again. And yeah, the boys pulled up on me. Very clean. Shout out Tino and Joe. Tino got a new Z, and then Joe with the car. You already know the Subi.